Where did Brayden go? Brayden!
Tristan wanted to show him where he got hit from the camera.
All things Pinto Beans! Where's Jaden? There he is!
Now he's gone.
They're home. They're home. Hey, big girl. You're in California, Mama. You're in California. Y'all don't mind the Christmas shirt that she has on. You see? Baby girl. Turn around. It's a little chilly out here. A lot chillier than South Carolina. I wonder why. We're like, man, we thought we were going to come to where it's nice and warm. And it's not. Look at that mountain over there. Can you see? Look at the mountain. Oh, got you in the sun. That mountain. See the mountain, baby girl? So beautiful out here. Tomorrow we're going to LA, downtown, and Long Beach. Yep. They went all the way over there? Yeah. Zaya. They went all... My beautiful princess. All right, where are we going? Whew, I almost fell. Oh, God, it's cold. Okay, we're in the desert, and I'm definitely feeling this cold air at night. Ooh, and these kids, I think, aren't dressed very well. What's wrong? Why are you staying back? Oh my God. Why are you staying back? Do you know something I need to know? Like what? Like, is that bad for them to be there? Oh, y'all. She's trying to scare me. Y'all know I'm scared of whatever could be out in the desert.
I need your shoes.
Why do you not have your shoes on? Hey, guys. Woo! It's cold.
And they said there was no hills here.
There's a big hill right here.
There's a bunch of hills over
Look
there.
at that scenery. I love it.
It looks like the Hollywood sign.
Like the Hollywood sign will be up there. Woo.
Me too.
Look at these kids. It's cold. Let's go inside and put some coat on. What's wrong with you? You've been out here too long. It's freezing. No, I mean, you've been out here in the desert too long. You think this is normal.
Yeah. It's actually not cold.
It is cold.
I mean, you guys didn't hear this.
This is colder than what we're used to in South Carolina.
Under this and this on. Oh my gosh.
All right, guys. I don't know what they're running for, but I'm running with them. Oh, this is so... Good morning.
Party people.
Good morning, guys. Guess what today is?
My birthday.
My baby boy is what?
7.
7 years old. And we're in California. California for his 7th birthday. California for his 7th birthday. Can I say it again?
Yeah.
California for his 7th birthday. Good morning.
Good
My
morning.
baby's 7. Let me look at him. Hold on, guys. Does those look like 7-year-old eyebrows? Does that look like a 7-year-old nose? A 7-year-old's eyes? 7-year-old mouth? Chin? That chin is 7. Doesn't that chin say 7, guys? That face says 7. And guess what?
What?
You were born in the morning. 7:15 in the morning.
I
So
know.
guess who is 7 already?
Me.
7! 7, guys. My boy's 7. I love you.
Me too.
I love you. All right. We're going We're leaving them behind and we're going to downtown LA, I think Long Beach or something like that. So that's where we're headed. We're leaving all things pinto beans. They're saying their goodbyes. We're sad. Are we sad? Yes. Brayden. Love you, buddy.
Oh, thank Pinto.
Love you. Mwah. I got my kiss. Tristan, no. Attention to my kids, okay? We're coming to get some of that black ice cream, Levi. For you. Levi, Mia, my handsome Yannick, my Gully. Baby girl, Tristan. My brother-in-law's on his way. That's what we're gonna get. Yeah? Where you get the black ice cream? Mm-hmm. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Black ice cream, and then we're going to the hotel. It's in Long Beach, down by the beach. And then we're gonna go and and then we're gonna go and walk on the beach. Probably get a nice restaurant. Hey, Liv, how does it taste? Is it good? Is it a good ice cream for birthday boy? For on your birthday?
Even though I don't drink coffee, it just seems like it would taste like coffee.
It seemed like it would taste like coffee?
Uh-huh.
Well, does it taste like coffee?
I guess so.
What? I need to taste that. It tastes like what, Levi? Coffee? Nia, how does it taste to you? Nia, how does it taste? It's good? She's kind of mesmerized, y'all. She just woke up. Liv, can I get a picture of you and your ice cream? My birthday boy. Alright, I gotta turn it off. His head is down the whole entire time playing the game.
Oh, look, we're here. I missed that.
Long Beach.
All right, quick room tour. You walk in through this door here. And we have a bathroom here. Bathroom. Shower. Oops, I almost fell. Love the sink. All right, we have a closet here. And me and baby girl already put our stuff in, but a safe in there. Closet. Then you walk through here. There's a mirror here. All right, and this is the room. I got a diaper on the floor. Simple desk area with TV. 2 beds. That's where we're staying. Window. And our TV. Oh, little bar area, I guess. Or refrigerator, whatever you want to call it. All right, let me let the boys back in here. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a night.
Call it a night.
Close out the vlog.
Boom, drop the locker party people.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And smash that like button.
And we'll see you all next time.
Goodbye. Bye, y'all. It's light outside.
Bye, y'all.
Hey, Larga.